Good morning, class. Today, my name is Nakshatra. I am from class 6A, and today I am going to tell you about Harry Potter and Diary of a Wimpy Kid. So first, this is the Wimpy Kid book called Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Do it yourself DIY book. So in this book, you could do like. The main character in this book is called Greg Heffley, and he made a diary. He has almost about 21 diaries, and the author is Jeff Kinney, and he has his own book, and he writes about his day and life. So like this book, it tells you about how to do, like how to record your comics, or how well do you know your friend, all DIY stuff. So this book is all about to do your own diary. So next is the Harry Potter book. So this is Harry Potter, the Philosopher's Stone. The author is J.K. Rowling, and it's about Harry Potter and about his about school life and home life. So he has almost many parts. It has his school, almost there are 8 parts, but for now only there are 7 parts. So this is the Philosopher's Stone. And this is Chamber of Secrets. This is second year of Harry Potter when he went to Hogwarts. And this is third part, Prisoner of Azkaban, when Harry's godfather comes from escapes from Prisoner of Azkaban. He is a fugitive, and he escapes and tries to tell Harry that Voldemort is coming. But Harry doesn't realize that the Prisoner of Azkaban is actually his godfather. So Harry tries to find him, and almost then knows that his godfather is the Prisoner of Azkaban. And this is his third year in Hogwarts. This is Goblet of Fire. So this is Harry's 4th year, and this is when the Triwizard competition arrives. And there is a very dangerous for Harry and his friends. In this competition there are 3 rounds, and there are hints and golden eggs. You have to really reveal the golden eggs and inside the hint. And this is the 4th year of Hogwarts for Harry. This is the 5th year for Harry, and this is the Order of the Phoenix. When the professor for dark arts, Umbridge from the ministry, comes and it gives very hell to Harry, and Harry tries to do anything to survive the 5th year. And then in the next, this is the 5th year for Harry in Hogwarts. In the 6th year it gets interesting. This is the Half-Blood Prince, and this is the 6th year for Harry. Harry in potions, there is a new teacher, and when Harry and Ron did not bring their books, so they took books from the cupboard, and Harry got an old one, and the owner of that book was the Half-Blood Prince. So Harry and Dumbledore find Horcruxes to destroy from Voldemort. And this is the last year for Harry, and this is called Deathly Hallows. In this part, Harry finds Hermione and Ron. These are the 3 golden trio. So they try to find the remaining Horcruxes and destroy them, because it is the easiest way to kill Voldemort. And the last part, Harry acts dead and asks Voldemort to take him surrendering, and then he destroys Voldemort with an Expelliarmus charm. And this is the year when Voldemort dies and everyone lives happily ever after. Now we are going to start Diary of a Wimpy Kid. This is the 11th book, Double Down. It's about Greg making a movie with Rowling about worms. And this is the first book, Diary of a Wimpy Kid. So this is a diary from Greg Heffley, and he writes everything from his day. This is the 8th book, Hard Luck. So Greg Heffley and his best friend Rowley Jefferson. Well, Rowley has a new girlfriend, and now Greg is all alone and he doesn't have friends now. So he's trying to find new friends and to get them new fame for him. This is the 3rd book, Last Straw. This is where the family goes on a road trip and goes in a hotel, and many problems happen to Greg, and his father, Frank Heffley, he says that you have to change your wimpy ways and become tough, or else I will send you to Army Academy. Then Greg gets scared and tries to do anything not to go to the academy. This is the Getaway, the 13th book. So Greg Heffley and his family go to a place called De La Escalor, and there they have very many problems like sun poisoning, stomach problems, and all venomous critters. So what will they do? They will try to escape from this getaway and come back to the place again. This is the 4th book called Dog Days. So in this Greg tries to play video games all day long, but his mother says that it is very wrong to play video games every day, so you should go out and play. But Greg says no and finds a way to outsmart his mother. This is the 10th book called Old School. When it is summer, everyone is going for no weekends. In weekends, his mother kept a petition to have no electronics for the whole weekend, and Greg then asked his dad what to do. Then his dad said to put a lemonade stand and go to the old school days. So Greg has many problems with that, like for the community garden and escaping and his home. This is the 6th book called Cabin Fever. There, Greg Heffley is in big trouble. School property has been damaged and Greg is the prime suspect. But the crazy thing is he's innocent, or at least he's sort of. And this is in winter time, so it's all snowy, and Greg is stuck at home for the whole school year. This is the 9th book called Long Haul, and a family road trip is supposed to be a lot of fun, unless of course you're the Heffleys. The journey starts off full of promise, then quickly takes several wrong turns. Petrol station bathrooms, crazed seagulls, and fender bender, and a runaway pig. Not exactly Greg Heffley's idea of a good time. But even worse, this road trip can turn into an adventure, and this is one of the Heffley's mood scenes.